Salty Coffee. Read by Vicky. Please subscribe, like, and share. Smart Learn English. The Salty Coffee. This is a story of two who were on their first date and both were a little bit shy to start the conversation, and the girl was even thinking to run home. Sitting nervously for a few moments, the boy asked the waiter, "Would you please bring me some salt? I'd like to have it in my coffee." Everyone in the cafe looked at him, so strange. He became more nervous, and still, he put the salt in his coffee and even drank it. The girl, looking at him confused, asked, "Why you have this hobby?" He cleared his throat and replied, "Well, when I was a kid, we lived near the sea. I liked playing in the sea. I enjoyed the taste of the seawater, just like the taste of salty coffee. It reminds me of my childhood." While he was answering her, a tear dropped off his eye. She was deeply touched by his story. A man who tells all about his heart clearly. He must be a man who knows the responsibility of his home and cares about it. They both continued to date, and finally got married one day. She thought it many times, she would have almost missed a wonderful man. Thanks to the salty coffee, they lived a happy life, and she daily made him a salty coffee, as she knows that's the way he likes it. After living together for 40 long years, he passed away, left her a letter saying, "My love, please forgive me, I lied to you my whole life. This is the only lie I ever said to you, the salty coffee. Remember the time we first met? I was so nervous at that time. Actually, I wanted sugar but asked for salt. It was hard for me to change, so I just had it. I never thought it would be the start of our conversation. I tried to tell you many times but failed. I feared of losing you. Now, on this deathbed, I have nothing to lose. So, telling you, I never liked the taste of the salty coffee. What a strange taste. Having you with me is my biggest achievement in my whole life. If I can live for the second time, I still want you to be with you, even though I have to drink the salty coffee again for my whole life." Her tears started to flow down her cheeks, making the letter totally wet. Someday, someone asked her what's the taste of salty coffee. She replied, "It's sweet." It seems you enjoyed the story. It was a sad story about love, but no worries. Sometimes, having someone's good memories are enough to live your life. Have gratitude for having those moments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Smart Learn English.